the universe all the time, but we're so lucky to have her with us. Please give it up for our very own confidently beautiful with a heart, Miss Universe 2015, Being a Words Back, John C.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko marami nang nakakaalam nito tungkol sa kwento ko ng Miss Universe, but not many may know this, but long before I became Miss Universe, I was the girl who kept getting rejected. I kept getting overlooked, and I kept hearing the words no. And I kept feeling like I was never enough, lalo na nung nag-uumpisa pa lang talaga ako. 3 tries sa Binibining Pilipinas, siguro naalala niyo pa yung kwento na yon. 3 times I stood on that stage and always unsure if this was the night that my dreams would come true. Na lahat ng mga sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, sa harap ng salamin, tuwing mag-isa lang ako, magkakatotoo kaya lahat yon. But I kept going kasi I believed in myself and I believed in my dream. And para sa akin, as long as you work hard for it, possible your dream can become a reality. And when that moment finally came, when I finally said the words, I'm confidently beautiful with a heart, I wasn't just speaking for myself. I was speaking for every Filipino who kept fighting no matter how many times they failed. I was raising the flag for every dreamer who dared to believe, even though all the odds looked like it was against them. I'm really proud of this campaign for the stories, the lineup. Kanina nung pinapakinggan ko yung mga speakers dito sa harap, sabi ko, I can't believe na makakasama ko sila. So maraming salamat. And aside from being a long-time member of the Jollibee family, this campaign celebrates not just triumphs and successes, but at the center of it, yung puso ng bawat Pinoy who pursues their dreams. And this is what it means when we say, bida, puso ng tagumpay. So, to everyone who has a dream, to the young girls watching, kahit di babae, kahit anong kasarian, kung may pangarap kayo, huwag kayong sumuko. Maging handa, hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung pagkakataon na biglang magkakatotoo lahat ng iyon. Mahirap man, pero lahat ng challenges na yon kailangan mong papagdaanan para pag nakamit mo na yung tagumpay, talagang mas ma-appreciate mo siya. So to anyone chasing a dream, yes, you'll face rejection, yes, you'll doubt yourself, but keep going, stand tall, speak up, and stay kind, because your moment will come. And when it does, the whole world will see the power of the Filipino. Tayo ang Bida Best. Tayo ang Bida Pinoy. Maraming salamat po, and mabuhay ang galing ng Pilipino.